Hello everyone, welcome to Research Express. Today we are going to discuss about blood group prediction using fingerprint images based on convolutional neural network. In this project, we have mainly used deep learning method. In that we have used Python, TensorFlow, CNN, Flask. First of all, I am going to open the VS Code. This is the full project. In that we have selected in this mainly we have selected the datasets of fingerprint datasets based on the blood group. This is A negative, A positive, AB negative, positive, B positive, and O negative, O positives. The samples of datasets we have collected here. There are many datasets are available for training and testing process. In that we have collected testing, check the dataset, creating CNN architecture, then prediction, everything, training, prediction, everything we have done. And finally, we'll get the dashboard, how the fingerprint will tell the blood group analysis. Now I am going to showcase the final output. In this, I have already executed the projects. We can directly get the final output. In this, I am going to type virtual environment script python.exe. I am going to run the app.py. So I am going to run the Python file. Now I am going to click enter. It will execute the full process and it will open the dashboard like this. In this, I am going to select one fingerprint blood group prediction using fingerprint image. Now I am going to select the fingerprint. So this folder is contain AB positive. Next we can choose for AB negative. And that I am going to select any random file. This is the random image I selected. The output it will shows only AB negative because this is AB negative folder. I am going to open this one and now I am going to hit the predict blood group. It shows AB negative and sample one more. I am going to select O positive. In that I am going to select one random image. This the output result O positive. Open, it shows O positive. How the project will work now we can see the PPT. Mainly we are focusing deep learning. In that what is the problem statement we have used here? The real time blood sample collection is required in real time. Laboratory testing also required. Time consuming also required, cost involved and not suitable for instant prediction. And next, the main objective is we need to predict fast. The instant output we need nowadays. We have used here convolutional neural network. Next, why fingerprint is needed for finding the blood group. This is the main objective we have used here. First, we have collected many fingerprint images. That is the future extraction. What blood group based on the fingerprint. Each blood group contains some fingerprint images. Right? We have to extract each blood group fingerprint images that we can create the data set and we have to process the machine learning. That is we have used deep learning analysis. Then we have to predict which blood group based on the fingerprint. This is the methodology we have used here. Next, we have the data sets. How many data sets? 1000 plus 10,000 plus data sets we have. You have to segregate the data sets. So positive, A negative, AB positive, negative, B positive, B negative, O positive, O negative. Based on the number of images, A positive 565, A negative 1009, AB positive 708, AB negative 761, B positive 652 images. Likewise, the data set we have collected in this project. Next, the system architecture. The system architecture, how it will works. Similarly, we have collected the input image we have taken. Next, it will go to the convolutional layer. Next, pooling that we have collected many samples trained. In that, we have select the particular image. In that, it will extract what type of fingerprint. Next, it will go to the dense layer to predict the final results of the blood group. Like that, it will operate. Next, this is the CNN model of architecture. The first input layer, this is only for CNN model. convolutional neural network. We have used here convolutional neural network. This is the input layer. Next, process into the convolutional 2D layer, maximum pooling 2D. Next, convolutional 2D 64 filters, and likewise it will go to the lens layer, then finally output layer. Likewise, this CNN architecture will work. Next, the CNN training parameters. This is the training parameter. We have used the image size, batch size, and number of iteration and optimizer and loss function. We have used here the training parameters. Next, accuracy. Accuracy training and validation accuracy. We have used the better results we have achieved. Next, loss. Loss will be reduced. Every project we have to reduce the loss. Loss here 1.2, here 0.6. Both are reduced to minimum level. Next, confusion matrix. Next, performance analysis. You can check the precision as well as recall and F1 score of each blood group with score level. Next, final results. Overall model performance. We have used CNN. The accuracy is 0.904, precision is 0.906, recall is 0.904, F1 score is 0.904. Likewise, blood group wise accuracy, A positive is 0.92, A negative is 0.91, AB positive is 86, AB negative is 0.89, and B positive is 0.9, B negative is 0.97, O positive is 0.91, O negative is 0.87. This is the final accuracy of the blood group. Next, this is actually we discussed the web application demo. We have to choose the file and predict which image with respect to the blood group. Finally, what is the need for this fingerprint based analysis in hospitals? It is a real-time application. We have used hospitals, blood banks, emergency service, mobile health system, AI diagnosis system. Advantages means fast, low cost, automated, AI based, user friendly. It will immediately analyze the blood group. We can easily find out the blood group and treat the patient immediately. Finally, conclusion and future scope of the work. The system we have used based on the CNN, but we can use mobile app, hybrid CNN and LSTM or by LSTM method we can use and compare with CNN with by LSTM or LSTM techniques for future work. We can have the data sets, everything, and we can go for this is your final dashboard of your project. You can post locally and this is your the project results. But in case you are going to writing the paper means you can use these results. These results you can use it. Blood group, class distribution, fingerprint dataset samples, training and validation accuracy, precision recall, everything you can use it for research paper writing. If you are going to write the research paper, first you have to provide the architecture, then research section you can use this one as well as the result of everything you need to use for writing the journal or conference paper. So you can use this images for final paper writing or thesis writing, anything you can use it. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you so much.